Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss the weekly analysis of part 2 of 21st April 2024. So, if you remember that yesterday we had uploaded the video about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis followed by mid cap and small cap. We would like to reanalyze it once again now since the market has been closed and we get a proper weekly chart. So we will dive in more into the details of the weekly chart of all the important sectors of India. So let's dive in. So if you see on this daily chart of Nifty, so what we can see is we got a wonderful pullback from 21,850. So basically we were eyeing on 21,800 here, and from that level we got a wonderful pullback, and we closed it very strong about 22,130, which was expecting as a resistance. Okay, now since we are on the top of the resistance, we will be eyeing onto the level of somewhere around 22,350, which will be acting as a resistance, a small resistance for the daily chart itself. Okay, which if gets broke, then we will be seeing ourselves to come back again on 22,500. Now remember, this will be a retest. We cannot just break this level on a very single go. That's not going to happen. Okay, now once we arrive at this level 22,500, we will review it again. Okay, to all those who have not yet averaged out Nifty 50 index fund, it is advised to average that out. That will be a beneficiary at this level. Okay, and at 22,500 we will retake all the decisions which we have been made. We will review this level once again to check this out, what could be unfolding for the next week and the next month itself. Okay, going to the weekly chart again, we would see now. Here is the thing: on a weekly chart, we got a reversal shooting candle star. Okay, shooting star, I would say, candlestick pattern. Now on the high of it, that is 22,800, until we don't get cross until we don't get past of 22,800, we are going to have a big range of consolidation. Okay, and this is somewhere around the range of 1,000 points from here, and this was pretty expected. If you are following us in the Telegram channel, we have pinned that message that it will be a higher volatility, and somewhere or the other we will be ranging in between 1,000 to 1,200 points. Okay, those who have not followed us on the Telegram channel, it is advised to go back. The link has been given below in the description. So in the Nifty in a nutshell, I would say we have to review ourselves again around 22,500. 22,350 will be a support, will be a resistance for the upcoming week. Okay, if we get cross that, if we get past that, then 22,500 is something which we are likely to see on cards by the end of this month at least. Okay, so this is all about Nifty. If we go to the Bank Nifty, so here is a similar story, but if you see it carefully, we get kind of an evening star candle pattern. Okay, now since we got a wonderful pullback from the below, this pattern itself is a weaker pattern. It is not strong in the nature, so probably we are less likely to get the follow-up selling, which would be continuing if we break somewhere around 46,000 46,579, 46,580, and the support level of 46,200. Again, this will be a support zone. It's a cluster of support zone here. Okay, so we have a wonderful support in Bank Nifty. We are not likely to see any kind of a downside, but the downside will happen if and only if we break 46,200 in the upcoming weeks or maybe in the upcoming months. Okay, we got to follow things out very straight here. And talking about the uptrend, here we are not getting a full-fledged upside. We are again likely to consolidate, but around 48,650 again we have a resistance, and if we join this resistance itself, just give me a second. So okay, so if we check this out, the entire this entire pattern itself is called an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern usually result out into a breakout okay, on the higher side. And from the if you follow us on the Telegram channel, again I have said that we are likely to hit somewhere around 51 to 52,000 in the upcoming months. Okay, so this is what Bank Nifty looks like for from this perspective, from the place where we are standing right now. If we move back to Netcap 100, we just managed to close around the resistance, the trend line which we have formed on the during the symmetric triangle formation. Okay, we got to sustain above this trend line, and we will face somewhere around the resistance of 49,700 for Nifty 100, for Nifty Midcap 100. So we will like to review ourselves once again once we reach at this level. And remember, we will be out of woods if and only if we break this high of 50,590. Okay, which is roughly around 50,600. Once we break this, then only we will get the wonderful upside from Nifty Mid Cap 100 perspective, and the same is the story for Small Cap 100. So here, Small Cap 100, as I said, it looks stronger than Mid Cap, of course, and it has been recommended to invest more into uh, Small Cap 100 index. So here we are just getting a consolidation in between 700 points, ranging from 16,000 to 16,700. And once we get past of 16,700, we closing in the weekly chart, then we are likely to see a wonderful upside on small cap 100 index. So in a nutshell, we closed everywhere about the support, about the pivotal point, about the strong support, and we are right now uh, heading towards more upside in across all the indexes. So for next week, I myself expecting that market should give us an upside. If we see a resistance somewhere in the near term, then probably we are likely to have a consolidation for the next entire month. Okay, mark this word. We can consolidate for the entire month if we get a resistance and if we don't manage to close above it. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, if you have any doubt, and if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment section. Goodbye and have a great weekend. Thank you.